Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through the process of adding additional gems and modifying them. Begin by navigating to the Jamb via the breadcrumb docking window. Select an entry, for example E0, and click the arrow to open the drop-down menu. Choose the Jamb and save it under your global favorites for quicker access in the future. Change the Jamb type in the Properties under Designation to Wall Covering Jamb and Transom Panel up to Ceiling. You may notice the additional Jamb does not match the wall opening. To fix this, measure the distance from the wall opening to the inside edge of the additional Jamb. Deactivate the Line Style button under the Start tab for a clearer view of the edges. Activate the Measure command from either the Project tab or the top bar. Hold down the Control key and click near the edge of the wall opening with the left mouse button. Continue to hold the Control key and click near the inside edge of the additional Jamb. Release the Control key and view the measurements result in the bottom right-hand corner of the interface displaying X direction, Y direction, and the hypotenuse length. Set the User-Defined Design in the Properties to Yes. Open the Extended Jamb Dimensions dialog and input the X value into X2 and X4. X2 for the left Jamb and X4 for the right Jamb. In the top area, you can change the parameters for the transom panel. WT stands for wall thickness and CH for ceiling height. You can modify them too. To adjust the Jamb height, check the box's full height if the additional Jamb should extend it to the top edge of the transom panel. If not, uncheck the boxes and the additional Jamb will only extend to the bottom edge of the transom panel. Additional Jamb settings are applied to all floors by default. To change this, update the grouping in the Properties for the respective floor from Modify with Group to This Jamb is different. To edit the door opening height, activate the entry and select the dimension in the drawing area. As you can see, the dimension is only visible when the entry is active. To make the dimension permanently visible, activate the entry and use the button Show Extended Component Dimension under the View Frame tab in the selection group. Select the dimension and edit the value as needed. If the ceiling line needs adjustment, go to the Group and Shaft configurator, navigate to the Material configuration and then to the floor levels. Uncheck the box for the corresponding entry and edit the ceiling height. The result should look like this entrance front detail outside view. Use the Properties to select the entry you want to display. Additionally, you can set the color for the component via the Properties in the Render group. Thanks for watching!